Hello YouTube, Top Combo Tech here for another rumored video, and this time hitting the news for the iPhone 8. 2017 will mark the 10th anniversary of the iPhone, and Apple has something major planned to celebrate the occasion. Rumors suggest it's going to be a radical redesign with an edge-to-edge display that does away with the top and bottom bezels, where features like the Touch ID fingerprint sensor and the front-facing camera are housed. iPhone 8 is almost certainly going to transition us from iOS 10 to iOS 11 and undergo 3 months of beta testing following WWDC 2017 in June. The internal iPhone 8 specs are also undoubtedly going to take another step forward with the Apple A11 chipset that's more powerful than the current A10. iPhone 8 running iOS 11 is also likely to debut always on-screen settings. The new chipset, either called Apple A11 or Apple A11 Fusion, may stick with a quad-core processor since the iPhone 7 just launched with that. The same goes for RAM. It may stick with 2 gigs for iPhone 8 and 3 gigs for the dual-camera iPhone 8 Plus. Now, the iPhone 8 may go for one smaller number. It's a move from the 16nm A10 Fusion to a 10nm A11 Fusion would make significant gains. Qualcomm's 10nm Snapdragon 835 chip, for example, requires less energy and exhibits a performance boost on 16nm chips. Now about the hotspot, which is the camera, and the AR feature, which is a new feature to the iPhone 8. Now, what can Apple do with AR? You may be able to point your iPhone 8 at any object and have it recognized, claims one source familiar with the matter. The camera app may be able to recognize and manipulate faces in the future too. AR is supposed to map out where you want to go, and combined with Apple Pay, it could be a big winner for the iPhone 8 onward, according to Monster. Apple is working with LG on a 3D photographing module for the iPhone 8, which could be used to add 3-dimensional effects and work with the rumored augmented reality features. Now, what about your everyday photography? That could be upgraded too, with a second lens on the dual-lens iPhone 8 Plus gaining optical image stabilization. But don't expect a bump beyond the 12-megapixel sweet spot that Apple and other phone manufacturers have found. About the selfie camera, we don't expect much change from the front-facing camera resolution, as Apple just upped to 7-megapixel iSight camera for the iPhone 7, but as selfie photos become increasingly important, it could include extra camera focusing tricks to make each and every pixel count. About the iPhone 8 other features, there is going to include an iris scanner, a smart connector, and a new sensing technology. About the iPhone 8 price, the iPhone 8 price may throw us for a curveball from September, since Apple is planning an all-new smartphone design. The smaller iPhone 8 could just cost as much as the 4.7-inch iPhone 7, running $649 in the US, £599 in the UK, and just around $1,079 in Australia. The iPhone 8 Plus price is also unexpected to change based on the fact that the iPhone 7 Plus just saw a price hike, even in the US, to $769, £719 in Britain, and in Australia just around $1,269. About the iPhone 8 release date, it's likely to launch early on September 2017 and get on sale through the late September 2017. And this is all about I got for you guys for iPhone 8. Thanks for watching, subscribe and leave your thoughts down below.